Hi guys, how to open the BE6, that is Mahindra BE6 key. Just see here, you can put your nail or something which you can open the mobile or a sharp object. You can open this, you can find the mechanical key in here, and we need a battery. This is the battery. You can open the battery from here. Just with some screwdriver you can open it, replace the battery and put it back. Closing, just make sure you the front portion, that is this portion, first should go inside like this and then press it. Okay, a minute. Now let's see this. Just click sound should come and you're good to go. So this is how you can replace battery and you can open the mechanical key. Thank you.